guys, look what I got. I got the Power Wave from Wavytalk. I am so excited. Oh my goodness. Like, one of the many things I love about Wavytalk is no matter what product you get, you always get the claw clips, and these are the really good ones. Look at that. These are my favorites. Look, I love these claw clips. They're just so nice. You just stick out. Ooh, look, it lets you know like if you have straight hair, wavy, curly, or coily. There it is. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it so much. Look, it's an S-shaped curve. This is the unboxing, and I will go ahead and I'm going to try it, and I'll post in my next video.